Welcome to Statistics Made Simple, and I am Savita Valsang. In this video, we'll find solutions to problems based on the binomial expansion method for two missing values. Problem 1. Estimate the production for the year 2001 and 2005 from the following data. In the table, in the first row, you have year as 1995, 1997, 1999, 2001, 2003, and 2005. In the second row, production in thousands of tons 20, 40, 70. Then you have the missing production 130, and then another missing production. The first step is to mark year as capital X and the production as capital Y. The values which X and Y take are denoted by alphabets in small letters. So the Y values are denoted by Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4 and Y5, and our aim is to find out Y3 and Y5. So starting with the solution, we see that the two conditions for which the binomial expansion method can be used is satisfied. That is, the difference between the x values is the same. That is, the difference is 2 years. And we also see the production, which is y3 and y5, which we have to estimate. They belong to the x values 2001 and 2005, which lie in the table. Now, on this solution, first write the most important step, that is, consider y minus 1 to the power n is equal to 0. Then find out the number of known values of y, that is 4. In other words, n is equal to 4. So, which implies y minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to 0. Now, how do we write the next step? First, start with y4, y3, y2, y1, y0 equated to 0. Now, y4 will have the plus sign, but usually it's not written. Y3 will have the negative sign, y2 has a plus sign, y1 has the negative sign, and y0 has the plus sign. So it is alternative plus and minus for all the y terms. Now for n equal to 4, from Pascal's triangle, find out the coefficients. So you'll see that the coefficients are 1, 4, 6, 4 and 1. And even 1 is usually not written. So now in the pink highlighted box, we have the expression as y4 minus 4y3 plus 6y2 minus 4y1 plus y0 is equal to 0. Call this as expression star. Now from the given table, substitute all the values which are known to you. So which implies 130 minus 4y3 plus 6 into 70 minus 4 into 40 plus 20 is equal to 0. Which implies 130 minus 4y3 plus 420 minus 160 plus 20 is equal to 0. Which implies minus 4y3 plus 410 is equal to 0, which simplifies to minus 4y3 is equal to minus 410, or y3 is equal to 410 divided by 4. The negative signs get cancelled on both the sides. Therefore, y3 is equal to 102.5, or in other words, the production for the year 2001 is 102.5 in thousands of tons. Now, to find out the next missing value, we have to increase the suffix of y by 1 in the equation star. By suffix, we mean the subscript. So in equation star, all you have to do is you have to increase the subscripts by 1, but the coefficients will remain the same. So you will get, consider y5 minus 4y4 plus 6y3 minus 4y2 plus y1 is equal to 0, which implies y5 minus 4 into 130 plus 6 into 102.5 minus 4 into 70 plus 40 is equal to 0. which implies y5 minus 520 plus 615 minus 280 plus 40 is equal to 0, or y5 minus 145 is equal to 0. Therefore, y5 is equal to 145. In words, the production for the year 2005 is 145 in thousands of tons. Problem 2. From the following data relating to the production, estimate the production for 2016 and 2020. In the first row, you have year 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. Production in tons in the second row are 5, the missing production blank, 10, 15, 26, and the next missing production, which is also denoted by a blank. The first step is to mark year as X and production as Y, and also mark Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5 in the table. Starting with the solution, consider y minus 1 to the power n equal to 0. The number of known values of y is 4, that is n equal to 4, which implies y minus 1 to the power 4 equal to 0. Using the same explanation as in problem 1, we get the equation as y4 minus 4y3 plus 6y2 minus 4y1 plus y0 equal to 0 and mark it as star. Substituting the values of y from the table, we get, which implies 26 minus 4 into 15 plus 6 into 10 minus 4y1 plus 5 is equal to 0, which implies 26 minus 60 plus 60 minus 4y1 plus 5 equal to 0, which implies minus 4y1 plus 31 is equal to 0, or minus 4y1 is equal to minus 31. The minus signs get cancelled on both the sides, which implies y1 is equal to 31 by 4. Therefore, y1 is equal to 7.75. That is, the production for the year 2016 is 7.75 in tons. To find out the next missing production, we increase the suffix of y by 1 in equation star, and we get the equation as, consider y5 minus 4y4 plus 6y3 minus 4y2 plus y1 is equal to 0, which implies y5 minus 4 into 26 plus 6 into 15 minus 4 into 10 plus 7.75 is equal to 0, or y5 minus 104 plus 90 minus 40 plus 7.75 equal to 0, or y5 minus 46.25 is equal to 0. Therefore, we get y5 is equal to 46.25, or the production for the year 2020 is 46.25 in tons. Problem 3. Estimate the sales of a business concern for the year 2007 and 2011. The years are 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010 and 2011. Sales in thousands are 13. Then you have the missing sales, blank, 25, 38, 65, and another missing sales, which is also denoted by a blank. So mark the first row as X, the second row as Y, and mark the Y terms Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4 and Y5 in the table. Solution. Consider y minus 1 to the power n equal to 0. Number of known values of y is 4, that is n equal to 4, which implies y minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to 0. In a similar way, write the expansion and you get y4 minus 4y3 plus 6y2 minus 4y1 plus y0 equal to 0. Call it as equation star. Substituting the y values, you will get 65 minus 4 into 38 plus 6 into 25 minus 4y1 plus 13 is equal to 0, which implies 65 minus 152 plus 150 minus 4y1 plus 13 equal to 0, which implies minus 4y1 plus 76 is equal to 0, which implies minus 4y1 is equal to minus 76, or y1 is equal to 76 by 4, as the negative signs get cancelled. Therefore, y1 is equal to 19. The sales for the year 2007 is 19 in thousands. To obtain the value of the next missing sales, increasing the suffix of y by 1 in equation star, we will get y5 minus 4y4 plus 6y3 minus 4y2 plus y1 is equal to 0, which implies y5 minus 4 into 65 plus 6 into 38 minus 4 into 25 plus 19 is equal to 0, which implies y5 minus 260 plus 228 minus 100 plus 19 is equal to 0, which simplifies to y5 minus 113 is equal to 0. Therefore, y5 is equal to 113, or the sales for the year 2011 is 113 in thousands. Problem 4. Interpolate the sales in lakhs in 2012 and extrapolate for the year 2014 from the following data. The years are 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013 and 2014. Sales in lakhs are 80, 150, 235, 365, then a missing sales blank, 780 and another missing sales. Mark years as X and sales as Y, and also mark Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5 and Y6. Solution. Consider y minus 1 to the power n equal to 0. The number of known values of y now is 5, that is n equal to 5. So which implies y minus 1 to the power 5 is equal to 0. Now to write the next step, start with y5, y4, y3, y2, y1, y0 equated to 0. y5 will have the plus sign, y4 will have the negative sign, y3 the plus sign, y2 negative sign, y1 the plus sign and y0 the negative sign. Then from the Pascal's triangle, for n equal to 5, we see that the coefficients are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5 and 1. And as before, the coefficient 1 is not written. So the final expression which we get and which is highlighted in the pink box is y5 minus 5y4 plus 10y3 minus 10y2 plus 5y1 minus y0 equal to 0. Call it as expression star. Substituting the values of y from the table, we get 780 minus 5y4 plus 10 into 365 minus 10 into 235 plus 5 into 150 minus 80 equal to 0, which implies 780 minus 5y4 plus 3650 minus 2350 plus 750 minus 80 equal to 0, which implies minus 5y4 plus 2750 equal to 0, or minus 5y4 is equal to minus 2750. Again, the negative signs get cancelled on both the sides, or y4 is equal to 2750 divided by 5. Therefore, y4 is equal to 550, or the sales for the year 2012 is 550 in lakhs. To find the next missing sales, increase the suffix of y by 1 in equation star, and we get y6 minus 5y5 plus 10y4 minus 10y3 plus 5y2 minus y1 equal to 0. Now here keep in mind that you should increase only the subscripts by 1 and not the coefficients. So which implies y6 minus 5 into 780 plus 10 into 550 minus 10 into 365 plus 5 into 235 minus 150 is equal to 0, which implies y6 minus 3900 minus 5500 minus 3650 plus 1175 minus 150 is equal to 0. Therefore, y6 minus 1025 is equal to 0. Therefore, y6 is equal to 1025, or the sales for the year 2014 is 1025 in lakhs. Problem 5. Estimate the production for the year 2010 and 2020 from the given data. The years are 1990, 1995, 2000, 2005, 2010, 2015, 2020. Production in 1000 tons is 5, 12, 19, 26, the missing production blank, 40, and the next missing production, which is also a blank. Mark the year as X, production as Y, and also mark Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, and Y6. Solution. Consider Y minus 1 to the power n equal to 0. Number of known values of Y is 5, that is n equal to 5, which implies Y minus 1 to the power 5 equal to 0. So using the same concept like I explained in problem 4, we get the equation as y5 minus 5y4 plus 10y3 minus 10y2 plus 5y1 minus y0 equal to 0. Call it as equation star. Substitute the values of y from the given table, which implies 40 minus 5y4 plus 10 into 26 minus 10 into 19 plus 5 into 12 minus 5 is equal to 0. On simplification, we get 40 minus 5y4 plus 260 minus 190 plus 60 minus 5 equal to 0, or minus 5y4 plus 165 equal to 0, or minus 5y4 is equal to minus 165, or y4 is equal to 165 divided by 4, which gives us y4 equal to 33. Therefore, the production for the year 2010 is 33 in 1000 tons. Now increase the suffix of y by 1 in equation star to find the next missing production, and hence we get the equation as y6 minus 5y5 plus 10y4 minus 10y3 plus 5y2 minus y1 equal to 0, which simplifies to y6 minus 5 into 40 plus 10 into 33 minus 10 into 26 plus 5 into 19 minus 12 equal to 0, or y6 minus 200 minus 330 minus 260 plus 95 minus 12 equal to 0, which implies y6 minus 47 is equal to 0. Therefore, y6 is equal to 47, and the production for the year 2020 is 47 in 1000 tons. Problem 6. Estimate the number of persons for the ages 24 and 30 years from the following data. Age in years 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, and number of persons are 20, 22, 26, then the missing number of persons 35, 39, and the other number of persons who are missing. Age in years as x, number of persons as y, and mark y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, and y6. Solution. Consider y minus 1 to the power n equal to 0. The number of known values of y is 5, that is n equal to 5. So which implies y minus 1 to the power 5 equal to 0. We get a similar expression like the previous two problems. So which implies y5 minus 5y4 plus 10y3 minus 10y2 plus 5y1 minus y0 equal to 0. Call it as equation star. Substituting the y values, you get 39 minus 5 into 35 plus 10y3 minus 10 into 26 plus 5 into 22 minus 20 equal to 0, which implies 39 minus 175 plus 10y3 minus 260 plus 110 minus 20 equal to 0, which implies 10y3 minus 306 equal to 0, or 10y3 is equal to 306, or y3 is equal to 306 divided by 10, which is equal to 30.6, and you approximate it to 31 because it is the number of persons. So, therefore, y3 is equal to 31, or the number of persons at the age of 24 years are 31. Find the other missing value, we increase the suffix of y by 1 in equation star and we get y6 minus 5y5 plus 10y4 minus 10y3 y2 minus y1 equal to 0, which implies y6 minus 5 into 39 plus 10 into 35 minus 10 into 31 plus 5 into 26 minus 22 equal to 0, which implies y6 minus 195 plus 350 minus 310 plus 130 minus 22 equal to 0, which implies y6 minus 47 is equal to 0. Therefore, we get y6 is equal to 47. That is, the number of persons at the age of 30 years are 47. Problem 7. From the following data, calculate the probable life expectancy of an average Indian for the year 1980 and 2010. Years are 1950, 1960, 1970, 1980, 1990, 2000, 2010. Life expectancy 68.2, 69.7, 70.8. Then the missing life expectancy blank 75.4, 77, and another missing life expectancy. The first step is to mark the year as X, life expectancy in years as Y, and the values Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, and Y6 are marked. Solution: consider y minus 1 to the power n equal to 0. Number of known values of y is 5, that is n equal to 5, which implies y minus 1 to the power 5 is equal to 0. And on expansion and simplification, we get the equation as y5 minus 5y4 plus 10y3 minus 10y2 plus 5y1 minus y0 equal to 0. Call it as equation star. Substituting the known values of y, we get 77 minus 5 into 75.4 plus 10y3 minus 10 into 70.8 plus 5 into 69.7 minus 68.2 equal to 0, which implies 77 minus 377 plus 10y3 minus 708 plus 348.5 minus 68.2 equal to 0, which implies 10y3 minus 727.7 is equal to 0, or 10y3 is equal to 727.7, or y3 is equal to 727.7 divided by 10, which is equal to 72.77. Therefore, the life expectancy of an average Indian in the year 1980 is 72.77 years. Find the other missing life expectancy. Increase the suffix of y by 1 in equation star and we get y6 minus 5y5 plus 10y4 minus 10y3 plus 5y2 minus y1 equal to 0, which implies y6 minus 5 into 77 plus 10 into 75.4 minus 10 into 72.77 plus 5 into 70.8 minus 69.7 is equal to 0, which simplifies to y6 minus 385 plus 754 minus 727.7 plus 354 minus 69.7 equal to 0, which implies y6 minus 74.4 is equal to 0, or y6 is equal to 74.4. Therefore, the life expectancy of an average Indian in the year 2010 is 74.4 years. Binomial expansion method in the interpolation and extrapolation chapter is a simple one, but please be careful while doing the calculations. Thank you so much for watching. Continue to practice and look out for my next video on Newton's advancing difference method.